In today's video, I want to show you how to create Telegram wallet. To create a Telegram wallet, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Telegram. So let's log into my Telegram app over here. So once you open up your Telegram, then the next thing you want to do is this. I want you to go to the search bar, just tap on the search bar and search for @wallet. Just search for @wallet. Once you search for @wallet, then you are going to see the wallet will appear under it. Then I want you to tap on that wallet. So once you tap on the wallet, it will take you to the official Telegram wallet bot on Telegram. So what you want to do, you just want to tap on start at the bottom. Just tap on start. So once you tap on start, to ask you to welcome to your own crypto wallet in Telegram. So tap on open. Just tap on open Delphi. Just tap on wallet. Once you tap on wallet, they just have to follow the on-screen informations. Just follow the on-screen informations and the account will be created. The wallet will be created successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually create Telegram wallet. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.